What, you're here already? Well, I still haven't found the perfect answer. But after some trial and error, seems tossing weapon materials into the cauldron forms new machines. Having made all manner of things, I've learned the process at least. But the underlying principle still escapes me. If I keep at it, I'm sure the answer will reveal itself. I wrote down some workable combinations. You should try them yourself.
Hi there.